Hello YouTubers, this is my Baja Doodlebug Minibike and I'm taking you for a ride. It has a Predator engine from Harbor Freight. The choke. Put a K&N Mini on there. Cone filter. They want to fit the throttle cable, so I made something with there. Pretty nice though, not too bad. Put a torque converter on there. It's pretty nice. 99cc is super fast. Take you for a ride. One second. And that's my video break. Thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.